Hi, my name is BREGJE and you are watching Estona Tutorials. And if you are watching this video, you are not currently on my subscriber feed, so you can watch a part of this video, but if you want to get the full experience, then please hop on over to Patreon and you can find me at patreon.com/Estona_tutorials. I hope I'll see you there. And this is the item we are going to use for today's tutorial. And I have been looking forward to using this one. And now the idea here is that you place a ring in between these two parts. And then you slide it in here. Then you place it in your vise, tighten it, and if all goes well, we should be left with a ring that looks like this. And now I'm very curious to see the result. And I really didn't know what to expect here. But this is looking very nice. And it would be quite difficult to achieve this look with a pair of pliers. The texture of the tool did transfer to my piece of silver, so maybe I squeezed it just a tad too hard. But I think with a bit of polishing this will clean up nicely. I am going to place the 2mm wire in the center. And now you do want to add some pressure here and keep the pressure on when you are moving this part. Otherwise your ring might move and it will be off center. And we still have one other ring to test, this one, and I am very curious to see how this will do. And there are a lot of different shapes and textures you can choose, so I think that is quite nice. And now I am going to give myself a couple of days to hang back and chill out, and then I am going to post all of these rings in my web shop, and you can find it at www.estona.nl, just in case you are thinking about getting yourself or someone you love a nice piece of jewelry handmade by yours truly.